How you doing, guys? Chris here. So it wasn't as if drones weren't getting a bad enough rap in the media, just like this drone here at a soccer game, but now we're starting to have a collection of fake drone aircraft incidences. This video is a few years old, but for example, this is a video of a drone striking the wing of an aircraft, which turned out to be CG enhanced fake video. Then you'll have this so-called training video, and I'm not sure who this is supposed to train, but in this depiction you'll see a helicopter taking off and shortly after a drone getting caught up in its tail rotor. The helicopter then crashes to the ground, causing a mass cow, and the camera then pans over to a kid holding the controller to the drone. Even universities have gone to the extreme to over-depict the damage that a drone could do to an aircraft. In this depiction, you'll see a cannon fire a drone at 238 miles per hour into a direct contact strike with the wing. They also fire what looks like to be a giant piece of salami into the wing of the aircraft. This is to represent what a bird strike would look like. Unfortunately, they claim the drone did more damage to the wing of the aircraft than that giant salami, but as you can see, it didn't. Here you'll see a real test of a drone striking the wing of an aircraft at a more reasonable takeoff and landing speed of 150 miles per hour. And as you can see, the drone does next to no damage to the aircraft. Now, I'm not saying these incidences don't occur, like this California man who hit an LAPD helicopter with his drone, causing minor damage to the aircraft. What I am saying is the known history of drones hitting an aircraft is far safer than the known history of birds hitting an aircraft. Keep in mind that the agenda behind these fake or over-dramatized videos is not for the greater good of you and me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.